Hi, George here. And if you're looking around for a full-featured PDF editing program, I have the perfect solution for you. And it's right here. This is the MiniTool PDF Editor, a great tool. Right now we're on the start page. You can see right here, here's recent files, and this comes with a user guide. Click on the user guide. Of course, this is in PDF format, and this shows you all about how to use this feature-rich program. If you notice, it has a similar feel to a standard Microsoft Office program like Microsoft Word. So if you're used to Microsoft Office, you feel right at home using this editor. Across the top, we have our standard toolbar up here, and then tabs for different sections. We have the home page, just your real basic stuff in here. You zoom tool, you can create new PDFs right over here. Edit, optical character recognition, you can do highlighting, typewriters for writing onto an existing PDF. You can do conversions in here, PDF to Word and to image. You can merge PDF files together into one combined PDF file. You can insert into a PDF file. You can also do search and quick translations to a whole bunch of different languages. Basic tools on the left-hand side, your bookmark tool right here, thumbnail view, annotation view, attachments, and PDF to Word conversion right in there. And of course, you have your undo, redo buttons up here and going out to print. Over here on the view section, you can adjust your view. You can change your basic theme here. That's the default theme. Here is a dark theme, the simplicity theme, eye protection, letter paper. There's a lot more you can do right here, but we'll go back to the default. Take a snapshot, set up a slideshow of your PDF. You can work in a split screen format. You can even bring up rulers if you want to. You also can have this read your text back to you. And here's your volume controls, read controls on the right-hand side. Word count, search, reverse view, quick translation again. The MiniTool PDF Editor also has complete annotation tools up in here, so you can annotate a document very quickly and easily, including adding in text markup, line shapes, notes, erasers, putting stamps, stickers, and so forth. Lots of stuff in here for annotating, so very good for reviewing and editing. Your standard editing tools, of course, edit all, insert text, replace, whiteout, add image, everything that you would expect. In the convert section, you can convert your PDF document over to Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel or PowerPoint or to an image, and even to more EPUB, HTML, text, CAD, PDF-A, Markdown, and XPS. Or you can convert things over into a PDF, such as image, Office document, EPUB document, and there's a few more in here as well. You can flatten your PDF, make it a searchable PDF. There's also some additional converters over here. Here's a standard image converter. Take your image and convert to several different formats. Or over here, other features, even more converters in here. CAD to image, CAD to DWF, and some compressions. You can compress a Word doc, compress an Excel doc, and compress a PowerPoint doc. So a lot more in here, actually beyond what you'd expect in just a standard PDF editor. We have a regular page view right here. You can work with your different pages just by clicking on that. Notice that each page has options right in here. You can add in full protections onto your PDF document. That's the page that we just had selected. Encryption, you can do batch encryption. You also can add in signature in here and a watermark. And of course, you can use this to share your PDF out to email right up here. So as you can see, really full featured in here. Let's go back here to the Start menu. Real simple to use. Just open up your document with the open button right here and then navigate to the PDF that you want to open. And of course, you can make this your default PDF reader. So if you click on a PDF document, it would then open up right here in the MiniTool PDF Editor. Let me show you where you can find this. And here we are on the web page for the MiniTool PDF Editor. And I'll put a link for this page at the top of the description so it's easy to get right back here again. You can download this for free right here. And it's good for Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. Scroll down. You can see here again, we can come in here, edit your PDF, do conversions to lots of different file formats, from and to, split and merge different PDF documents, compress and extract PDFs, annotate your PDFs using all the tools we already looked at, and it can read and translate in 16 languages with volume speed and adjustable pitch. Let's take a look at all the features right here. Here's the full list. Here's the free edition. The free edition, by the way, is a 7-day free trial. And the free version gives you complete PDF viewing tools in here, and you can look at the whole program. Let me just show you that real fast. So here we are again. Let's say I wanted to edit in this. We can come in here and try all of our different editing tools. Let's just go over here to Annotate, and let's highlight that with yellow. There we go. So you can test out all the tools, see how all the tools work. And let's save this into my projects folder. So notice that even though over here on the website, it says that you can't do the annotations, you actually can do these on the free version. That's what I have running right there. So you do have access to those tools, and you can test out the whole program and see if you like how it runs. And if you want to purchase a program, which I recommend, this is a great editor, go over here to Buy Now. And you have 3 plans, $19 a month. The yearly plan is a lot cheaper than that, but what I would recommend would be the Ultimate plan because it's a perpetual license. One payment and you own the program for life. You also get lifetime free upgrades and tech supports. This is a really great deal, getting a completely full-featured PDF editor that you have forever. If you have questions about that, there are some sales facts right down here, but it's real straightforward. It's just a download, and you'll then get a download link once you make your purchase with a license key. Enter that license key, and it then activates the lifetime license for the program. Notice right now this is at 50% off as well. It's a great deal to get this really full-featured PDF editing program. And again, I'll put the link for this right at the top of the description so you can get right to that sales page and learn more about how to use the MiniTool PDF Editor. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. I have some other videos on other programs from MiniTool. I'll put links for those in the description, and I'll see you next time.